In 1966, Claas launched the Senator combine, complete with new styling and new brighter shade of green. By the mid-1970s, the original machine had been updated and replaced with a range that consisted of the Senator 60, Senator 70 and flagship Senator 85, seen here. Headers with widths of 10, 12 and 14 foot could be fitted to the Senator 85, and crop lifters and dividers were standard equipment. This combine has a 12-foot header. The thrashing drum, like the one used in the SF, was still 1.25 meters wide and had 6 rasp bars. Straw was propelled onwards by a rear beater. The grain tank held 3,000 litres, which could be emptied in 90 seconds. As on earlier Claas machines, the tank was mounted between the operator's platform and the engine. Cabs were now becoming a popular option on Claas combines. This one has a cabcraft cab, complete with an evaporation-type cooling system. The Senator 85 had 4 straw walkers, but unlike earlier Senator combines, it also featured the Claas intensive separation system. This used agitation tines to fluff up the straw on the walkers, the idea being that it was easier for any remaining grain to drop through. Power came from 105 horsepower 6-cylinder Perkins, Mercedes-Benz or Deutz engines. The Perkins option was the 5.8-litre 6.354. This combine has an optional Claas straw chopper. As with most choppers, it can be folded forward to leave the straw in a swath, but this one is chopping wheat straw. Production of the Senator 85 tailed off following the introduction of the smaller models in the Dominator 6 series in 1980.